If you do not subscribe, your dog will dance for me. What's up guys, on today's video I want to show you how to use Amazon Prime data as a normal data. So if you have watched the previous video, then I hope by this time you have the data, and if you do not have that data, please make sure you watch this video and you'll be able to get the free 3 gig from Vodacom. Then you'll be able to use that data as a normal data. First thing first guys, that I want to tell you guys, and the advice, please, if you want to get connected on Vodacom SIM card with this data, please make sure you buy a side SIM card. Make sure you buy a new SIM card that you know that this SIM card is only for connecting. Do not use your main SIM card because Vodacom will block your SIM card. So, and I do not know how to unblock it, and I don't know what you can do to unblock it, because they can see that you are doing something. Okay, but beside that guys, please, yes, on a serious note, buy a new SIM card that you know like the SIM card is only for connecting. Then you'll be able to get connected without worrying if they will block a SIM card or not. So as I saw you guys have been waiting guys, you need this video, so I'm sorry about that. So let's not waste any time guys, let's get started guys, Okay, before I start, I'd like to say shout out to you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to this channel. If you didn't subscribe, please consider subscribing, so my next video get a shout out. Okay guys, first thing first, so I'm going to let me show you that I do not have data. Okay, the data that I have is this data. So I'm going to click there. So okay, now we need the details, right? So in the meantime, let me go to Google. So let me refresh here. So you can see that it's not working, right? It's not working. So what we're going to do, so I'm waiting for the SMS. So as you can see there, I have 1.3 GB, right? I have 1.3 gigs. So this is Prime Video data, Amazon Prime. It was 3 gig and I used it like I really killed it guys. So what I'm going to do right now, so before I start, I want to tell you that guys, we have 4 files, right? We have 4 files. So for different apps, we have this one on this app, on this app, on this app, and on this app. The reason why I'm not saying the name is because you know guys, you know that I told you guys, but here I really thought so guys you can get connected, right? So what I'm going to do right now, okay, now I'm going to the app, right? So I'm going to the app. So this one guys, you need a stable internet connection. If the internet connection is not stable enough, it will connect, but you won't be able to you won't be able to use it. So on the HTML Plus, it's not working. The host is not working at all. Even the files are not working at all. So please go to this app or this app or this app, right? So if you need files, please join our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. Just go to the bottom there, you can see there, join our group. Then you'll be able to get the files and you'll be able to get connected, right? So let me go to the app right now. So I'm not going to show the app because you know guys, you know I told you previously that they went to my channel, right? So okay, now let me do this. Okay, let me connect there. So okay, now let me go back. So as you can see there guys, I'm connected, right? So I'm connected. So let me go here. So guys, I want to check here. I want to search another thing here. Let me check something else. Let me check the questions, which is me. This is me. Go to my channel and listen to my music guys, and also subscribe to my channel. Right, subscribe to my music channel. But in any other ways, guys, as you can see, it's not connecting. I don't know why it's not connecting anymore, but previously you saw that it was connected. So I'm trying to refresh. It's not connecting. Let me try YouTube. Okay, here on YouTube you can see it's working. On YouTube you can see the videos are loading, but so let me go to the channel. So guys, you can see there, you can see this is working, guys. This is working. Let me search my music channel. You can see here, guys, it's working, guys, it's working. You can see there, it's working, guys, it's working. So let me click here, guys. So guys, please subscribe to this channel. This is my music channel, and listen to my music, right? This is my channel, listen to my music, right? So I'm scrolling here, it's not, yeah, okay, it's working, guys. I can click here. What's up? Okay, you can listen to this music, right? Okay. Oh, what's wrong with? So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Guys, yes, this is how to get connected, guys. Please also make sure you come to my channel, subscribe to my channel, listen to my music, and enjoy my music, guys. Any other words, guys, if you have problem with anything, please comment down below, and soon enough, I'm sure soon enough they will stop it or they will block this, guys. So please make sure you get this free Amazon Prime data right now, and do not use it on your main SIM card. Buy SIM card that like this SIM card is only for getting connected, guys. If you have watched this video until here, thank you so much. If you didn't subscribe, consider subscribing. If you are satisfied with my video, please also make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button. Peace.